All right, this is just a quick video on how to roll up an extension cord without getting any twists in it, so that when you're done with it, you can just unravel it without having any twists. I hate it when people roll their extension cords like this, because every time this goes around, it twists the extension cord. So with the extension cords that I use, since I'm buying my own extension cords, I like to treat them with respect, and because it's going to be money coming out of my pocket. If you like your boss or whatever, and they're buying your extension cords, do it nicely. Do it this way, so that every time you use it, you can have a nicely untangled extension cord. So basically, what I like to do is I make a little loop, and then I bring it around, and then I bring it around again, and you just keep on going like this until you've wound up the whole extension cord. And when you do it like this, it doesn't twist it, because you're actually going with how the extension cord wants to go. You end up with a nice loop like this. If you want to use it the next time and you want to just throw it across the room, it comes out very, very, very straight. And it's just nice. It's just nice to not have a tangled extension cord. And you could do this every time. See, when it wants to go the other way, it's twisted. So you can do it like this every single time. And it's nice. Every time you need it, it's just there. There's a little bit of a twist on that one, but that's fine. Maybe it'll correct itself on the next one. But yeah, that's how I like to roll up my extension cords. And then just lay it down flat on the ground. That's what it looks like.